Rasa sayang, hey, rasa sayang, sayang, hey. Hey, may you, may all be happy, happy, happy. May you, may all be happy, happy, happy. Yay! This exercise, butterfly hug, is very useful for releasing fears and worries and traumatic memories. Again, I will show you the theory first. I will read to you instructions, then I will demonstrate to you afterwards. Yeah. So the first part involves imagining you are in a safe and peaceful place. What kind of place is up to you? It can be on the beach, it can be on a mountain, in the cave, on the bed, or hugging your pillow. Yeah, whatever you like, as long as the what you choose you associate with safety and peaceful. The second part involves some tapping. There's a tapping of the chest, which I will show you afterwards. There's also a breathing part. There's a hugging and breathing part, and then there's also there's a singing part as well. Yeah. So I'm going to show you how to do it. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So butterfly hug. Okay. So the first step, of course, imagine. Yeah. Imagine you're in a safe and peaceful environment. That is the first step. Yeah. Second step, you use your hand this way. Yeah. Use your hand and you form a butterfly shape in this way. Yeah. Butterfly shape. Okay. Butterfly shape. Okay. And then you hug your chest with the butterfly wing this way. Hug the chest, the butterfly wing. Okay. Then gently tap your chest in this way. Tap gently with the butterfly wings. Okay. So the mindset should be, and we are doing this as though we are comforting ourselves, soothing ourselves, and assuring ourselves. Pay attention to the sound of tapping, the sensations of tapping. Yeah. Okay, so we do that for about 30 seconds. Just gently tap, hear the sound of kindness, feel the sensations of kindness. We do it for about 30 seconds. Okay, and then we take a kindful breath. Okay. One more time. Yeah. Okay, and we can repeat the process. Okay, we can also apply some creativity as we are gently tapping ourselves. We can also sing a song as well. So one of my favorite songs is called the Rasa Sayang song, the kindfulness version. So as we are tapping, we can do some singing as well. Yeah. So we can sing Rasa sayang, hey, rasa sayang, sayang, hey. Hey, may you, may all be happy, happy, happy. Rasa sayang, hey, rasa sayang, sayang, hey. Hey, may you, may all be happy, happy, happy. May I, may you, may all be happy, happy, happy. Okay, take a deep breath. Take a deep breath. Deep breath. Okay, if you like it, we can also hug ourselves while taking a deep breath. So how we do that? This is it. So we hug ourselves, take a deep breath. Okay, right. Okay, and we can also combine with the kindful breathing, the Valentine style. Yeah, okay, so that is the butterfly hug and kindful breathing, which is very useful when we experience a lot of fear, worries, and traumatic memories or images. Okay, let's get back to the slides. Okay, so this is the lyrics of the songs for those of you who didn't get it. So there's the lyrics. So this song is called Rasa Sayang. It's based on our traditional folk song that the theme comes from that, but I have modified the lyrics a bit. So I call this Rasa Sayang Kindfulness version. Rasa sayang, hey, rasa sayang, sayang, hey. I may, you may all be happy, happy, happy. One of the commonly asked questions that I receive on this butterfly practice is, how does the practice help to reduce anxiety, fears, and worry? Some people, they are interested in the mechanism of action. They want to know why it works or how it works. Yeah. So there are the many theories which explain why this is very good for reducing fear, worries, anxiety. Okay, I will share with you a few. Of course, in this practice, there is a mindfulness component. There's focusing on the present moment, the sound of the present moment, the sensations at present moment, and that itself is therapeutic, because when we anchor our attention in the present moment, we are temporarily freeing ourselves from worrying too much about the past and future. So that is the therapeutic factor of mindfulness. Of course, it's also a kindness. So when we gently tap our body, we hug ourselves, and we offer ourselves with a kindful breathing, we actually helping the body to produce a hormone known as the oxytocin, which is a happy hormone, which is a hormone which is produced when mothers are breastfeeding. So this hormone gives us a sense of calmness, a sense of being bonded and connected with people. So that's a second mechanism action. And this tapping also is actually also tapping on certain acupressure points. So when we tap in this way, we have two acupressure points that we are activating. One is this point. This is known as the K27 points. K27 or kidney point. And also there are another 2 points over here. These are the U point or the Latkin point. So when we flap this way, you're also activating the acupressure point. Yeah. So these are the few mechanism of action. Actually, there's one more. In the type of therapy known as EMDR, this bilateral tapping and bilateral stimulation actually integrate the two parts of the brain, and this can help us to relieve our traumatic memories. Yeah. So it looks like a very simple technique, but there's a lot of therapeutic factors that sort of science behind this which support the effectiveness of the practice. This practice is useful when we are having mental distress. For example, now everywhere you go is COVID, 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 COVID. I'm sure you have a WhatsApp group. There's so many WhatsApp groups with so many the COVID-related news. I'm also in the hospital setting. Hospital also got COVID WhatsApp group 1, COVID WhatsApp group 2, COVID WhatsApp group 3. So many messages, so many news. That it can be very overwhelming emotionally. So there's one practice, one useful practice, and you feel emotionally overwhelmed. By the way, this practice is also shown in a Korean movie called It's Okay to Not Be Okay. So for those of you who have not watched this, I strongly suggest maybe the Sunday school also can watch this together and do some Dharma discussion related to self-kindness. And what does it mean? What does it mean by it's okay to not be okay? So Sunday school, I know many of you are Sunday school teachers. Consider watching this together with your students and have a Dharma sharing related to self-kindness and compassion. Okay. So how do we practice this? So it's called Butterfly Hug. So the first step, you use your hand to create a butterfly shape in the butterfly. Butterfly. Okay. Then you put it at the chest. Here. Then you tap in this way. Tap. So as though you're hugging yourself, then you tap left, right, left, right. Okay. And while tapping, you can sing the Rasa Sayang song that we had earlier. You can sing Rasa Sayang, hey, Rasa Sayang, Sayang, hey. Hey, may I, may you, may all be happy, happy, happy. May I, may you, may all be happy, happy, happy. Okay, and we take a deep breath, breathe in. Then we breathe out. Okay. Flat. Rasa sayang, hey, rasa sayang, sayang, hey. Hey, may I, may you, may all be happy, happy, happy. Breathe in. Breathe in. Breathe in. Okay. So whenever you feel a bit mentally out of balance, a bit stressed up, a bit panicky, that's butterfly hug.